Swizzlers Boo Chews. Spooky. These are a mixture of Swizzlers chewy bar sweet thingamajigs in a spooky ghost-based packet. Do you want to check them out? Yeah, we do. We do, don't we? We do indeed. So we're ready to open them. We want to see what's inside. So we have a plate, which I need to get because it's just down there. So apologies, no spooky plate. So we'll open this, and there they are. There's only a few of them really. It's quite a small plate full. We're not going to go through all of them because pretty much I've tried those, and by virtue I've tried those. So we're going to go with the two I don't think I've tried. But otherwise, this... Do I get them all in? Nah. So I'm going to try one of these two. So we've either got Mr. Chew or Fudgy. Mr. Chew from Boo Chews. Or just Mr. Fudgy generally. Yeah, so these are the kind of things which you chew into and they will stick and they will probably remove the teeth from your head. Maybe not that severe, but yeah. So, yeah, it's been a bit warm in here, made them a bit melty. They smell kind of tutti fruity-ish. We're going to nibble. Yeah, I think I've stored them somewhere a bit warm. Okay, there we go. We're getting the tutti fruitiness. I would say keep them somewhere not too cold because they'll be a little bit hard. Yeah, it's alright. Is there going to be something in the middle? I don't think so. Pleasant enough. Whilst I'm chewing on this, fudgy, great tasting. And it's all vegan. Good for all you vegans out there. Yeah. There we go. Oh, this one is a bit more solid. Oh. Does smell fudgy. Are we ready? Yes. Ow. Fudginess almost instantly. Not like... Sorry, it's difficult to talk with a chewy, mushy thing. Not totally like fudge. Obviously like one of these chew bar things. Flavour's not too bad. It's alright. What I'd say is, for the most part, these, being this, and they do appear all the time really, are quite good. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to do the follow, liking, sharing, subscribing type stuff, and I shall see you soon. Boo. Trying to be spooky. Sorry.